Have you ever said yes when every cell in your body wanted to scream no? If that feeling rings true, you are far from alone. Many of us choose short-term ease over long-term well-being. That pattern leads to exhaustion, resentment, and burnout. We worry about hurting feelings, rocking the boat, or seeming selfish, but learning to say no is a key skill for mental health. So why is saying no so hard? 3 common roots: fear of rejection. 2. Guilt. Many of us learned self-sacrifice is a virtue. 3. Need for external validation. Our worth tied to pleasing others. None of these are shameful. They're learned responses. Boundaries are invisible fences protecting your energy. Clear boundaries reduce anxiety and prevent burnout. They also lead to more authentic relationships. Valuing your priorities boosts self-esteem and growth. You begin to live more authentically. Now let's practice a simple, effective formula. The golden formula. Appreciation plus but plus brief reason plus firm denial. Start with appreciation to keep the tone respectful. Then say but and give a concise reason. Say, I really appreciate you thinking of me, but my workload is high right now, so I won't be able to help this time. Clear, respectful, and firm. If you want, offer a small alternative. For example, I can't take the whole project, but I can spare an hour to consult. This keeps connection while protecting your limits. Worried they'll react badly? It happens. Their emotional reaction isn't your responsibility. You protected your well-being. Hold your ground. If a relationship survives only on your yeses, ask if it's authentic. A respectful no reveals who truly values you and your time. That clarity is healthy, not cruel. Guilt is often the biggest hurdle after you say no. Remember, guilt doesn't always mean you did something wrong. Sometimes it's an old people-pleasing alarm sounding. When guilt appears, ask, did I actually hurt someone, or am I protecting myself? Practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself like a friend. You wouldn't call a friend selfish for setting a boundary, right? In collectivist cultures, saying no can feel even trickier. Emphasize respect and frame refusals as situational, not personal. A situational phrasing keeps relationships intact while protecting you. Try the small no challenge this week. Pick one low-stakes no, decline dessert or an invitation you don't want. Small wins build your confidence muscle. Every small success makes the next no easier. You'll start to feel empowered and lighter. You reclaim time and energy for what matters. Your self-esteem grows when you honor your priorities. Relationships deepen and become more respectful. Saying no isn't selfish, it's self-respect. Quick recap. Appreciation, but brief reason, firm denial. Example, I appreciate you, but I'm too overloaded right now, so I can't help. If someone pushes back, breathe, restate the boundary, and stay calm. You don't need to fix their feelings, protect your limits. Self-care after boundary setting helps reduce guilt. Start small. Mark one situation this week to say no. Practice the formula out loud so it feels natural. Confidence grows with repetition. Checklist. Appreciate. Explain briefly. Offer an alternative if you want. And close with a firm no. Keep it short, kind, and clear. Every no you practice becomes easier. Track wins to reinforce the habit. Small changes compound into meaningful freedom. You reclaim time, energy, and focus for what matters most. You'll be more present and confident in your choices. And your relationships will deepen. Remember, saying no is not selfish. It's a learned skill and an act of self-respect. Treat it as practice, gentle, consistent, patient. When I set boundaries, my anxiety dropped, relationships improved, and my self-esteem rose. You can expect similar shifts with practice. Start small and notice the changes. This week, pick one small no and try it. Use the formula, keep it brief, and be kind to yourself. You've got this. Saying no is a skill, one that protects your peace and priorities. Every no is a yes to what truly matters. If this helped, subscribe for more psychology tips. See you next time.